Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you have logged into Waze, but your saved places, favorites, and preferences aren't showing up at all. Waze isn't syncing with your Google account, so in today's small tutorial, we really want to go through how to get everything synced up again, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, we want to go ahead and check your login method. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account in Waze. If you have multiple Google accounts, Waze might be pulling data from the wrong one, so go all the way to the settings here as you see on my screen, then scroll all the way down until you see account and login. Then make sure which account is really active. Then we're gonna go ahead and try to force the sync. In Waze settings, look for a sync or a refresh option. Tapping this forces the app to pull your latest data from the cloud. Then, if it didn't really work, we can go ahead and try to update the app. Second issues can be caused by outdated app versions. Check the App Store for updates. Then, we can go ahead and clear the app cache on Android. Clearing the cache can resolve sync conflicts. So on Android, we're gonna go to settings, apps, Waze, storage, and tap clear cache. On iPhone, you don't really have access to that, so you have to uninstall and reinstall the app from scratch. And that's our latest or our last resort, is to actually reinstall the app from scratch, since a clean reinstall would fix most of the errors. So uninstall Waze, restart your phone and reinstall it back again, do a quick login, and your data should resync automatically. And that's here the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.